Hello everyone, welcome back to Donny Days. Thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to come on really quick and do an intro to some footage that I took the other day. I was in this particular store getting some marketing material for this new marketing campaign, and I stumbled across some budget and savings jewels. So sit back and watch the video. I could not keep the actual audio from the store, so I actually did a voiceover for you guys. So just sit back and look at what I found. Oh my goodness. So enjoy the video. The Office Superstore. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm on my way to the cash register, and then I come across this area. I pulled out my phone and I just started looking at everything. So the first thing I see is an expenses book, which is really cool. So you have like your line pages, and then it goes into your expenses for the month. I thought this was so cool. You can track your monthly expenses. My goodness, you'll have a nice clean budget set out for you. It looks like it's monthly. That was really cool. And then of course there's the meal planning journal that they had. What? Okay, so it looks like it, separates it of course by day. And then you can put your grocery list in there. It was one other thing I saw in here that I thought was actually really cool, but I guess I'll go back to it. And then you have like your big expenses book. So you saw the small one first, and then we go into the bigger one. So you go into your savings plan, you see that there. Extra expenses, monthly expenses, income. It breaks down everything for the month to make it really easy. A nice clear path for you. Oh, then they had the skinny meal planning, the smaller one, the little slim version. And you see how you just, and I thought it was really cool how you can rate each meal by its difficulty level. Like, so was it easy for you to prepare this recipe, or not so easy? How did you like it? How was the turnout? Was it delicious? Not so delicious? The best way to get something done is to begin. Yes, that's the budget unlock way. Yes. Tons of little notebooks. That's cute, the little kitty cat. More notebooks so that you can sketch and write your budget down in there if you wanted to go a non-traditional route where you just write all your numbers down the way you want to. You don't have to have a specific way to format it. You can just freestyle it. Oh, I loved how they had these different little journals. Those are actually pretty cool. You could be as creative as you want. You can use our journal. Doodle in there, write your numbers down in there, sketch numbers out really quick. Throw some numbers in there, some quick thoughts. They had some sticky notes. So once I left that one area, I said, well, let me go down an aisle and see what they really have for the beginner budgeter and saver. So they had tons of sticky notes and tabs. I thought that was really cool. You can have your own notebook and just make it your own, personalize it, have your own stickies, create your own tabs. I'm a sticky note fanatic, so it's best that I stay away from them because I'll have sticky notes everywhere. But sticky notes are loved. People love sticky notes. All these different journals. They were so cool. Some of the journals had the pins already attached to them, which was really convenient. I love the convenience of it. A lot of people will pay for convenience. If you have a notebook that has like a slot for the pen or your pencil to just kind of like hook into, see that on the side there? That's, for some people, that's definitely worth the money. Definitely worth that. All those little notebooks you could just put in your bag or your purse, book bag, briefcase, travel bag, small handbook. That was really cute. Cute and convenient as well. Then we went into like a section that had like portfolios and stuff, and to each his own. If that's something that you want, then you go ahead with it. You see some lined paper journals, big and small. Yep, more journals. That's really small and cute. Very convenient. Put it in your pocket even. And yeah, fuel your soul and create a budget. Create a budget. All right. This girl has goals. Some cute notebooks, more journals. More portfolios, padfolios, and isn't that something? Staples. Wow. Yeah. So I was just in there, like I said, just getting a couple of things for this marketing, again, marketing material, and I ended up just seeing all this stuff on my way to the cash register, and so I was so excited. I said I have to share it with all the beginner budgeter and savers out there. Go to Staples. You may get you some good things there as well. So you have a nice amount of stores to choose from. Don't forget that this is your journey, your way. You can be as creative as you want. Remember, one foot in front of the other. The journey starts when you start it. If you fall off the horse, you get back on. This is gonna be a good journey for you to begin. So I'm not gonna take up any more of your time. Thank you for visiting with me today at this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you see something that you like, or if you like the video, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And then also don't forget to visit www.budgetunlock.com. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks.